Hello, greetings. This is Gilles Mancier. I wanted to come briefly to send greetings and blessings, and also to carry forward an announce that wasn't mine, but that was made by Archangel Michael about the fact that the long time prophesied age of Aquarius is finally coming. In 1969, there was a rock pop band that made was called the Fifth Dimension, who created this very famous song, "The Age of Aquarius," and it says at the beginning that when the moon moves in the seventh house and Jupiter is aligned with Mars. So this is really what is going on now. It took many decades for it to happen, but we are actually officially moving into this age of Aquarius, and we will soon be feeling all those new energies. For lots of lies and deceptions, we'll have to, as the veil fell, there is a felling of the veils, more truth will be revealed, and it will be more and more, all deceptions will have to fall by the wayside, for all that is true will be coming up to the surface. So we have to be ready for great changes, and to prepare ourselves for it takes about over 2,000 years for every age, for we are moving out of the age of Pisces, the age of glamour and pageantry and messiah. For in the age of Aquarius, we're no longer looking for love outside of us, we're not looking for light outside of us, we're no longer looking for wisdom outside of us, we're no longer looking for salvation outside of us. For all those things will be discovered from within, and this is really the age of angels and freedom and salvation and happiness for all beings on this planet. And so it is a great event, a great celebration. I hope you get ready for it. You prepare yourself for this amazing time that is ahead, and that we'll be enjoying that for quite a long time to come. I'm going to pull a few cards for the day. The card for the day is nothing less than eternal life, for it is about discovering this eternal part of ourselves, this connection to that truth, that higher truth, that we are all connected in one way or another to this. We all have a connection to this eternal part of the self that is called the soul. And so this is about reconnecting, retuning, reintegrating the knowledge that allow us to tune into this eternal life. And from there we'll find, once we have found eternal salvation, there is no more need for anything, for all things are self-revealed when it is the time. And so we are moving in that direction, for this is the situation. On the invisible world, we have the earthbound, which is the connection to the world, but it is the card of salvation as well. It is the card of the universe. It is the connection to the earth. It is our connection, for we are all one, and so we will be learning to move into new level, a higher level of service into the world. For the more we are able to serve, the faster we are able to grow together. And so there will be a mystery school that will be opening. A great deal of things will be unfolding. I will be myself be called to speak about those things of the earth, politics, economy. All of those things, in order to connect some of the dots and help to find a collective solution that can be understood by all, and that will assist us in moving forward in a reality that will serve all, that will move away from lack into abundance, and so that in order to create a world that all beings will be satisfied to live in. For it's not that complicated. Sometimes there is easy solution, but it requires some efforts. Because those who are abusing life will have to make some concession of stopping this abuse in order for re-establishing the parameters. But in essence, I do not think they will have a choice. Either they will comply or they will vanish. So it is really a moment to feel the joy, to sense the expectation, and to get ready for that which is to come. What we see right now is cutting through. It is about starting to reforming what we need to reform, to cut through whatever need to be cut through in order to find what is behind it. So it is a little preparation. What we're working on is the Scarlet Woman. It is the card of intuition. It is the card of intuition, but it is also a card that is universal. It is a card that tells you that not to get lost in any detail. See nature as one whole. See yourself as the whole universe. Move away from the belief that you are physical being. Move into a realm that you know yourself to be energy. The more you know yourself to be energy, the more you have control over your opening doors to a higher level of being. And what we will learn from that process in the relatively short term is to become a chameleon. The chameleon has some advantage and inconvenience. It is not very grounded, for it is always changing shape and shifting, but it is able to adapt to anything and to blend into anything. So it is a great quality, a great power to be able to blend in and to adapt to any environment, to find the right measure, to be able to adapt to all beings, to become concordant, to become harmonious with every state of being, and to have the right attitude in relationship to all those aspects all those situations that we may encounter. Well, I hope this message was interesting for you. I'm going to finish very briefly with this little reminder of that song. It's called The Age of Aquarius. It goes like this. When the moon is in the 7th house and Jupiter aligns with Mars, then peace will guide the planets and love will steer the stars. This is the dawning of the age of Aquarius. Age of Aquarius, Aquarius, Aquarius. Harmony and understanding, sympathy and trust abounding. No more falsehoods or derision, golden living dreams of vision, mystic crystal revelation, and the mind's true liberation. Aquarius, Aquarius. When the moon is in the 7th house and Jupiter aligns with Mars, then peace will guide the planets and love will steer the stars. This is the dawning of the age of Aquarius. Age of Aquarius, Aquarius. Let the sun shine, let the sun shine in, the sun shine in. Let the sun shine, let the sun shine in, the sun shine in. Well, I hope you let your sun shine in, that you cultivate this inner light each and every day, so that we may eventually move into this collective field of vision that will assist in creating the new age. I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Namaste.